everyone. Today we're gonna make lasagna. Oh, but first, a baker always washes their hands. Wash it really good. So first we're gonna get some sauce. See? And then spread it all around like this. And then after that, and then spread it all around the bowl. Spread it around. Put more sauce. And now take some cheese. See, you're gonna need this kind of cheese. So take some cheese and spread it all around. Just like that. Spread it all around like this. Make sure that you always grab a handful. And after that, do this. Oh yeah, and then put more of this. Didn't you know that I like to cook? I do this a lot with my mom. There, and then after that,
get the sauce quick.
And yeah, just keep repeating the same step over and over and over until it gets full. That way you hold it with two hands. And then spread some green onion. I think it's called a green onion, all around here. That's how you make a perfect lasagna. There is a piece of our lasagna. Thank you for watching. And we'll fix this piece of lasagna later that I messed up. Thank you for watching. Bye.